Assalamu alaikum dear friends. Today I am going to teach you some basic things about Comsol multiphysics. This is just a start of my this video series. I will teach you many things in this software. So I hope you will listen to me and watch my videos. So this is very good software. Let us start. So Comsol multiphysics is, you can say, is versatile software. It is used in different fields of science and engineering, especially you can say physics. Sorry for this. I'm not feeling well today, but so especially physics, chemistry are the relevant fields, optics, microwaves, somehow heat transfers, mechanics, and there are different blood of different things. So first thing is that if you want to learn something, so best thing is the to visit the Comsol Multiphysics website, official website, and the other thing is that this software is freely available. You can download it from Google or from the official website, and the other thing is that this video will be about the basics like how to create projects. For example, I want to create new project. So first of all is to click on the model result, and here you will see a lot of options. Whether you want 3D, 2D axisymmetric, 2D simple, 1D axisymmetric, 1D and 0D types of projects. So mostly we people do 2D or 3D projects, but 2D axisymmetric is also done in many fields. So today I am going to teach you the basic things like I am going to select the 2D simple project. So there are some steps to select. Two major things like which type of physics you want to simulate or physical phenomena you want to simulate. Like you can see there is AC, DC, acoustics, optics, heat transfer, and lot others. So I am going to select this optics, and you can select any of these. This one, electromagnetic waves frequency domain. Then you can either select add or double click on this one. This is the same thing. The other thing is that what type of study you want to perform on this in this physics module. So you have to select the study. Then in a study you have different options what type of study you want. Frequency domain, eigenfrequency, adaptive frequency sound, sweep, wavelength domain, model analysis, and a lot of others. Or even you can create an empty study for time being, then you can add the proper study type later on. So I am selecting model analysis. Now I will double click on this one to complete this step. So first step is to select the type of unit and geometry which you want to design. So whatever the unit you select, it will be shown here. So your geometry will be done in that scale. So the best first thing is to select the geometry. The second thing will be to add material, and then you have to use just apply these physics modules, parameters, and other things on that geometry, and then you have to use mesh type of mesh, which in the end you have to do study analysis, whether it's mode analysis or any type of others. And one thing I forgot to tell you that initially it's better to define the parameters. So today I'm not going to make any geometry because I want to tell you something else. Because if you are very beginner, of course you will not be able to design any geometry or anything. So you have to go to file menu, go to application libraries, and here you will see all the physics modules what we observed or checked in the initial design. Like I'm going here in AC/DC modules, and here you will see a lot of examples, and I'm going to tutorials, and there are some examples. I'm clicking on capacitors and phase sensor. Do you want to save the changes? Yes. Save. Okay. Now this is the built-in example. If you want to do any type of study, you have to learn from these types of things. Like initially you can go to parameters, check what type of parameters they have defined. Second, go to component 1 and definitions, geometry, or you can say materials, then type of physics, module, type of study, here special resource, which is parametric part of what you call parametric sweep, because he has performed the parametric sweep. And here you can see the type of geometry, what type of things he defined. He defined one block, and then in work plane you can come here in plane geometry. You will see these different types of rectangles, like one and the array, block 2, block 3, and different. This is the part of geometry which he has designed. You can learn these dimensions. Everything is available here, and you can, if you are from this particular field, you can easily understand why he. And then once geometry is defined, you can go to materials, and he has defined 3 types of materials and what type of parameters are there and what type of geometry has been made of this material. Then nylon, you can see the characteristics of this material and the type of domain. This thing is nylon, and this one is copper, and this whole big box is of air. So, and then if you once observe the things in geometry and material, then you can come here for the physics module, and in physics you can see charge conversion, what type of things they have defined here. Then ground, zero charge, terminals up to 6 terminals, and then type of mesh, we have defined physics controlled mesh, pointer, and then in study type if you see he has performed parametric sweep, and the main thing is the displacement from 2 to 28 centimeter. So, and in the end, once these things have been defined, then there are results. Results set is available here. If you click at this thing, you will see there is no result because we have not still simulated this one. Because for that you have to go to study and click on compute. Once you click in, then this will run and show you the results. So for today it is over because I have not discussed any important thing here, but this is the one this is one idea that you can learn many things like this way. You can select any type of module and you can, like I'm going to wave optics, and in this one you can see different types of examples available here. Different types of devices are being simulated by the Comsol developers or the company. So you can learn these things. So day by day we can understand, we can learn many things from this software. So for today it is enough.